We all want it, the perfect 1/4 inch. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a 1/4 inch foot. This is the Eversewn 1/4 inch quilting foot. I love this foot because that center hole makes it very easy to know exactly where that needle is supposed to be. You have a 1/4 inch on either side from that position, and you have these really great markings that mark exactly where your needle goes down, 1/8 of an inch from where your needle goes down, and a 1/4 inch from where your needle goes down. This is super helpful whenever you're doing things like mitering corners. Let's install the foot. To start, we're going to take off our old snap foot. I have just the standard foot on there right now. Take that off, and we're going to install this one. You're going to line it up, drop it right down, and you're all set. If you don't have an Eversewn sewing machine yet, but like this foot, you can still use it on your machine. Just use the included low shank snap-on. Once you're ready to sew, you can take and line up your layered fabric underneath the foot. You want it so it's just to the edge of the foot, not over and not to the inside of it. Once you're set, start sewing. You can always check your 1/4 inch against your ruler and see here, I've got it lined up and I've got that 1/4 inch seam line just where I want it. My favorite thing about this 1/4 inch foot is that because it doesn't have a blade on it, if I want to sew half square triangles, I just have to line up on either side of my marked center line and sew. Perfect. And now you've got it, that perfect 1/4 inch. Thanks for watching. A special thanks to our sponsor, Eversewn. I love this machine, and if you'd like to get one too, check out shopaqs.com. Members always get 20% off, and you can get additional savings by using the code down in the description.